First battle.
Hello guys, we have here today 3 different airsoft weapons. The first one, a Beretta M9 spring powered. The second one, electric M4. And third one, Ruger Super Hawk CO2. And we wanna see what these guns can do to a wooden panel. Okay, first one, the Beretta. Second one, the M4. And third one, Ruger. We can see Beretta M9 spring powered. This is the damage. The M4 electric and the Ruger Super Hawk. It's so powerful, this one. And now let's do the same test in the same order. First one is Beretta. I will take the shot from 2 meters. This is the damage from Beretta. And now the electric M4, also from 2 meters. More powerful, the M4 electric version. And now the big guy, also from 2 meters. This is really impressive, very powerful. I will take one more shot from close range to see if the gun can penetrate the can. Same result here. First shot, second shot. It cannot penetrate. So these are the results, guys. The velocity of each weapon and also the power, you will find them in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Goodbye.